Hello, everyone, and welcome to Little Mountain, South Carolina. I did not see a mountain in Little Mountain, so I don't know what they're talking about. Actually, I went on Wikipedia and read that there's apparently a rock around that's like a isolated little rock, not like a little rock pebble either, like a mini mountain, and that's what it's named after. But I did not see it. Anyway, we're gonna go right through the town center of Little Mountain. I read the Wikipedia page. Little Mountain has less than 300 people living in it. A great antique store, which I did stop into, and it tags itself as the heart of the Dutch Fork. And I had to look up what the Dutch Fork actually means because the only other place I'd ever heard of it was Dutch Fork High School, a elite high school football team in South Carolina. And apparently, the Dutch Fork, well, there's no apparently about it. Here's the town center, by the way. The Dutch Fork is the area between the Saluda and the Broad River, right when it forms the Congaree River. So there was the main portion of the town. And up here, we get closer to the famed antique shop. And if you look to the right, you'll see the raised train track. Or it was there. I think it may have branched off. So it's always the raised train bed is always kind of cool to look at. And here we are. We're getting ready to be at the famed Little Mountain Antique Shop. Little Mountain hosts a reunion every year where I guess all the people that used to live in the town are invited to come back and check out the town again and catch up with friends and all that kind of thing. That's pretty cool. Oh, and I forgot to mention, but Little Mountain is located in Newberry County, and that's where we're going to be going soon, Newberry. But there's prosperous times ahead.